want to eat, but her mother not cook yet because she hasn't money.
Mom! Mom! Where's my mother?
Yes, what's wrong?
Where my food? I'm very hungry.
I'm not cooked yet. I just make a cake for sale. Do you want?
No, I don't want. I'm hungry and I want to eat rice, chicken, meat, and other delicious food.
I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't have money. But I promise if I get money, I will fulfill your willing.
Shortly after that, her neighbor came to A's house for buying the cake sold by A's mothers.
Excuse me, Ace. I want to order your mother cake. I don't sell a cake. What's up? I want to apply for a job. I ask you to tell your mother, please. I don't care to my mother. My mother made me have a difficult life. Astaghfirullahalazim. You shouldn't say that. I don't care. No, you have to go ahead of me. You're very ungodly, Ace. You will get a big sin.
The next day, her mother felt a headache and was helped by her neighbors.
Astaghfirullahalazim. I have a headache.
Masya Allah. What happened to you, Mom? You're sick?
I'm fine. What happened? You want to order the cake?
Yes, I want to order you cake, but you look like sick person. How about to go to hospital? You can use his money and you can make the cake after you get well.
Thank you for your kindness.
You're welcome. I must to go now. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
After the neighbor gave money, her mother came to the A's room and saw that Ace had packed her clothes.
Why you put all of your clothes into your bag?
I have a new job, so I want to leave you and this bad place.
Why you did that, Ais? How about me? How about your mother?
I don't care. I sick of you.
Don't leave me, Ais. Please. Ais.
Ih.
Ow!
I'm very sick.
Calm down.
I'm sick.
Doc, what happened to my doctor?
I'm very sick.
Your doctor is not problem.
I'm sick, Mom.
What's wrong, Ais?
Mom.
What's wrong?
Mom.
Ais!
La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha